Hello everyone. In this video, I have explained body mass index calculator using Python. Now, body mass index is one of the very important health calculator that categorizes your health as underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. Now, you can design this program using Python. Now, for that, you must know what are the different categories and how do you calculate those categories. Now, if your body, see, first thing is how to use the formula. The formula is weight divided by height times height. Okay. Now, herein, the weight is in kilograms and the height is in meters. Okay. Now, if when the user enters the weight and the height, and if the BMI comes as below 18.5, then the category is underweight. If the BMI calculated is under the range 18.5 to 24.9, it is normal. In the range 25 to 29.9, it is overweight, and in the range 30 and above, we categorize the body mass index as obese. Okay. And these are as per the guidelines by the medical industry. Okay, so herein we have to design a program to calculate the BMI of a person, right? So let's design this code and let us see how can we design this. Okay, the first thing is you must look at how does the output look like. Okay, so in your assignment, the output, the sample output, okay, I have not provided, looks like, oh yeah, over here. This is how the sample run looks like, okay. So let's keep the sample run in front of us to see how should we design it. Okay, so first thing you have to display this, then this divider, then ask the user to enter the weight in kilograms, then height in meters, and then display the BMI and the category. Okay, now to decide the category, you will have to make use of if else statement, right? So let's print it. I mean, let's do this. So first, we have to print, welcome to BMI evaluation program, right? So let's print BMI evaluation program. Then print the divider, just to make it look good. Okay, now ask the user to enter the weight. Okay, so get weight and height, from user. Okay, so weight equals to, now weight could be a floating point number. Okay, so you have to take care of this. It could be a floating point number. So now I'm not converting into an integer, I'm converting into a float. Enter your weight in kilograms. Okay, enter your weight in kilograms. Then ask the user to enter the height. Height is equals to float, input, enter your height in meters. Okay, then calculate the BMI. Calculate BMI value. Okay, so you can print it or first evaluate it. Well, I am going to just print it. Your BMI is, and I'm going to take it in the variable BMI, okay? And let's first calculate BMI actually. So here we know the formula for BMI, right? BMI equals to, the formula is provided, weight divide by height square. So height times height. Okay, so this variable weight divide by the square of the height. Okay, so you calculate that, and to constrain into two decimal places, you can just write it like this. Okay, that BMI evaluated colon dot 2F. This is to constrain the output to two decimal places. Otherwise, maybe you can get the output like this, 18.98764. Okay, I don't want this. I want to constrain it to two decimal places, and for that, I I wrote this 0.2f. To constrain it to three decimal places, you can write it as 3f. 4 to 4f. Right now, I want to constrain it to only two decimal places. Okay, so this will take care of that. Now let's determine the BMI category. Determine the BMI category. Okay, so again, you will have to use the if-else statement. If, see, the condition is provided already here. If it is below 18.5, it is underweight. So, if BMI is less than 18.5, the category is underweight, right? If it is less than 18.5, your category is underweight. Else, if, LF, your BMI is less than 25. Okay, less than 25, that is in between 18.5 to 24.9, which is less than 25, then it is a normal weight, right? Then print category normal weight or healthy. Else if BMI is less than 30, then I'm going to print category as overweight. Else, if it is greater than 30, if it is none of these, then of course the category is obese. Right? So we have followed these standards, these medical standards. Okay? So if the BMI is less than 18.5, it is underweight, other normal weight, otherwise overweight, otherwise obese. Now you can either write it like this, or if you want to put it in the range, you can make use of the AND operator to put and OR operator to put it in the range. Okay. So this is how the whole code would look like. Let's run this and check. So when I'm running this, let's run this. Okay, I have too many things printed over here. So what I will do is I'll just clear my screen first. Okay, run. Welcome to BMI evaluation program. Enter your weight in kilograms. Let's say the weight is 56, height in meters 1.52. It says the BMI is 24.4 and the category is normal weight. Right? Let's try it one more time. Let's say the height is, okay, the weight in kilogram is 80. The height in meters is 2.4. The BMI is 13.89 and the category is underweight. Okay. Try entering your own weight in kilograms and your height in meters and then find out the BMI and find out which category are you in. You can also verify this using a program that is already available on internet as well. Okay, so you have so many BMI calculator on internet. Okay, so for example, a 1.52 meters will be 152 centimeter, and let's say the weight is 56. Okay, calculate and it will calculate the BMI as 24.2, which is healthy weight, and which is similar to what we have calculated here. Okay, these BMI calculators are available for free on Google. So for example, what you can do is Google and BMI calculators. Okay, and click on any of these links. You should be able to find out, you should be able to calculate the BMI calculator. Okay, so see, what you see on Google, you already have created it. You already have written a code for that in Python here, right? Isn't it interesting? I hope you like writing the code for this, evaluating the category in which your weight falls into. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this program. Happy coding. Thank you.